Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to replace your old doorknob with this one. The only tool that I need for this video is a Phillips screwdriver. Here's a close-up view. Oh wait, you can also use a flathead if you don't have a Phillips screwdriver. Just make sure that it fits in the screw. Otherwise, you're screwed, bro. So, you're ready to get started, but you can't access the screw. All you gotta do is turn it that way, and now you can reach the screw. Okay, so I'm just gonna unscrew these two pieces. Don't I make it look so easy? Make sure to install it on the correct side. This should be on the inside. Otherwise, if you do it backwards, oh my goodness, you have to do it again. Houston, we have a problem. This doesn't fit in this. So now we're gonna have to remove this part in order to replace it with this. It's gonna be okay, guys. I promise. I have plenty of these things around the house, so we'll be good. I just gotta find a matching piece. Let's unscrew both of these off. Guess what? I finally found the missing piece. When you're checking the fitting and it doesn't fit, it's because you have to push this in. See, now it goes in. Now that this side is in and the back side is in, we're gonna put this side in too. Okay, the only thing left now is to screw everything in. Okay, so the last part is to tighten these. We did it. Okay, so let's make sure it works. Well, hello.